Hi, let's see one of the C program which was asked in the year 2021. Consider the following ANSI C program means here they have given a few lines of code and they are expecting what is the output of the above program. Okay, so here they have given some two-dimensional array of size 4 by 5 and they have taken from for loop. So guys, you know, right, if you are going to take some 4 by 5 array, meaning that we have 4 rows and 5 columns. First one, second, third and fourth. Okay, fine. And if you observe here, this is index starts with assuming that address is 100, and you know integer variable is going to take its address as 2 bytes. So this is 102, 104, 106 and 108. So as it is 2 by 2 multi-dimensional array, this is 100 and this should be 110. 110, then this is 112, 114, 116 and 118. So this should be 110, and this is 120, 122, 124, 126 and 128. This should be 120, and this should be 130, like that. 130, 132, 134, 136, 130. If you are going to represent in the form of this kind of representation, it will be easy for us to solve any kind of gate question. Okay, and you know this array name is ARR. It will be pointed like this, right? You know, assuming that this address is 500, then this address is 508, this is 516, then this is 520, sorry, 524. Okay, fine. And uh, now this is 500. Okay, so they have taken some for loop for I equal to 0, I less than 4 and I plus plus j equal to 0, j less than 5, j plus plus. So each and every time they are going to place certain value. Array of 0 by 0, they are going to place certain value. 0 by 1, 1 value, 0 by 2, 1 value, and so on. Right? If you do that, array of 0 by 0, you are going to get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here you will get this is 1 by 0, right? Next I value will be 1. 1 by 0, you are going to get 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 14, and you will get 2 by 0 as 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 30, 31, 32, 33 and 34, right? So this is the for loop. If you are able to solve it, you are going to get the actual values of the array you will get. And they are trying to print what is the value that is going to be printed, right? Percentage d comma star of array of 1 plus 9, right? Array is 500, 500, meaning that by default it's going to access with the first index portion, and here they have given star of array of 1 plus 9, right? They have given array of 1. Array of 1 is means what? Array of 1 is means 110, 110, 110. Okay, so meaning that you are going, if you are trying to print the value of array of 1, you are going to get the address as 110, 110. For this 110, for this 110 address, you are going to add plus 9. You are going to add plus 9, right? So as 110 is an address, if you are trying to perform some numerical value, it should be incremented by its size of the data type, right? So you are going to get here 128, 128. So for address 128, if you are going to apply star of 128 is, you are going to get the value as 24. So the answer for this question is 24. I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.